So these doors, they are steel back insulated. Let me show you how does it work so you can see. Look how smooth is the opening for these doors. Super heavy duty. Let me show you that from the interior side. Flush, clean, and very, very quality. We do have over here the torsion springs, the torsion system, the bar. We do have over here the railing, 3/4 horsepower for heavy duty door, LiftMaster brand, as you see. And let me show you how does it from inside. You can really see how quiet is this motor. And look how soft close. Double spring on the 16/7 door, which giving you better softness.